Alright, recap time. What did I say? Sharks by 2 in a nail biter. Dolphins by 4, just as good. Manly by 8 because they've got their act together. And then I'm going Roosters by 16, Storm by 16, Knights by 16, thanks for Ponga and Brown, Warriors by 4, and the clinical Panthers by 56. Score 60-4 against the haphazard, no good St. George. Anyhow, that's it for me this week. Hopefully you all like and subscribe. Don't forget to put your tips in the comments below, and I'll see you all next week.